Tubers Mezcal here. Got a beautiful creature here to release. I was just doing some work in suburbia for a tyrant of a real estate agent, and next thing we hear a great commotion of birds and such, and there's the contents of this bag, and curious beautiful creature that it is, there's a great bit of jungly stuff down here that'll be perfect for it to get lots of food. So without any further talk, phone and fucking up the video. Okay. I had all of suburbia come and watch me catch it without my thongs on. And you'll see the excitement when it comes out of the bag. Come on, piss off. You're free to enjoy a lovely big feed. Oh, it's a big snake. See you later, buddy. Eat well.